Hello, in this video I will give you an introduction to C++ programming language. Let's start with a definition given by Wikipedia. So C++ is a high-level general-purpose programming language as an extension of the C programming language. So C++ is like C language and with object-oriented programming. Yeah. So what's the benefit of using C++? It's quite fast to compile and also stable. I mean, it's safe, yes. So actually, you see so many softwares written in C++. Let's say a large system um, and let's say large computer simulation software, and also search engine like Safari, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge that you use almost every day, and also like games, yeah, as well. So it's mostly for the like large program because it's just fast and efficient programming language. So this video is dedicated mostly to the introduction and introduction to very easy example of a C++ code, which is named Hello World. I think you have heard of Hello World, I guess, like before in the other languages as well. It's yeah, I think it's kind of convention in the programming that many people use for the introduction. Um, and yeah, today we're gonna program a Hello World um, program in C++. And but before that, I want to just give you a brief overview of how to run a code written in C++. So yeah, first of all, you write it in C++, which is readable code for human, right? Um, but it's not readable for computers. So what we're gonna do after we have finished writing the code is that we have to compile it. So compiling means we translate the code into a binary code which is readable or understandable for the machine or computer, and then the computer can execute the code finally. So okay, then let's start with hello world. So I suppose that you have um, IDE that you like. So I mostly use Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code um, for programming, and I recommend it as well. And so uh, just go into any directory that you want to work in and create a file named Hello World CPP. So starting from here, first of all, what we have to do is that we have to um, include a library to um, output some characters to the stream. That is called IO stream. So we're gonna include um, IO stream, and this IO stream library has some functions to output and input from streams. And then, so in any program in C++, you have to make a main function. So int main and blank parentheses, and following that, at, sorry, at the bracket. And in this bracket, you can write the code. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna print out hello world. To print out some characters to the stream, um, we're gonna use printf. There are also other functions that you can use for this purpose, but yeah, this time we use printf function that is provided from IOStream library. And so when you wanna output characters, you have to um, include the characters within these uh, two dash, and also um, you have to surround them by another parenthesis, and every um, line in the C++ code should end with semicolon. It's a rule, so that the compiler knows that the line ends here. Yeah. So this, this is actually already the end of the program, and but just in case we're gonna add a return statement, it's in my case it's not necessary, but it's a good practice actually. Yeah. So returning means that it tells the computer if this function terminates successfully or not. So return 0 means this function terminates successfully. So just add it. It's a good practice. And yeah, that's it. So now we can compile this program, this very short program. So how are we gonna do that? I will use G++ compiler. I guess you have G++ on your already installed on your computer. But if it's not installed, then you can. I recommend that you install WinGW. That gives you GCC and G++ compilers, and I think you can find many resources that you can refer to install MinGW. So just Google it, and yeah, if you need some explanation about the installation, I can also make another video for that. But yes, I'm gonna use G++. So how are we gonna compile it first of all? First we start with G++, and then we write which file we're gonna compile. So we're gonna compile hello world.c++, right? So write hello world.c++, and so after we compile, we get another form of code. I mean a binary code um, out of it, right? And we can actually assign a name for that binary code by doing like this, um, a bar and all. Then following that, you can um, write any name you want. In my case, I make it hello world. Hello world. So um, this okay. So this means that it compiles hello world.cpp file and makes a, a binary file which is named as hello world. So let's compile it. Okay. So um, if it's successfully compiled, there should be a hello world.exe file as follows. By the way, you can see um, all the files under the current directory by typing ls. And so now we see that there are hello world.cpp that we created, and also hello world.exe that we just created by compiling this hello world.cpp. So this hello world.exe is an executable file for computer. So now we can execute. Yeah, execute means go through. Yeah, now we can run the program finally. So how are we gonna do that? We have to we just have to specify the executable code by typing like this. Hello world. So you always need .n/. Don't forget it. This means that .n/ means under the current directory. Yes, under the current directory, there is a hello world. So it's the way how you tell where is hello world.exe in the directories to the computer, right? So let's run it. So now you see the output hello world that we wrote here. Yes. So this is the way we make CPP program and compile it and run it. Very basics. Yes, so we gonna end this video here. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comments. See you next time.